Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the local updates for Ethereum. Let's dive in. Let's start with Ethereum BTC trading pair. I want to show you the weekly time frame. Last time when we dump under fundamental value, it was here in August 19, around beginning of September. Now we dump it in April, end of April. What happened next? You see on the chart. I don't think so. We're going to repeat the same price movement, on this trading pair, but the main targets, personal for me, it's still relevant. It's around sell, alts, and Ethereum around this block. Monthly time frame, yes, basically it's still the same, but like you can see, a little bit lower. A little bit lower now. It's 0.063. This one. Monthly, if we reject at fundamental value of Ethereum to BTC, next stop is here. Next stop is sweep of low September 19. Imagine, after 6 years, we can dump and sweep that low. I hope we will not dump that low, but I wish to see something like test yearly open, bounce, and end of altcoin season. So this is what I wish to see on Ethereum BTC trading pair. Based on the chart, global one, you remember the news now about the BlackRock accumulate Ethereum more even than BTC now. And I believe they will push the price Ethereum higher to the main targets. Main targets, you remember, it's 6K 800, 9K 991. This is targets. What I don't like, we formed a huge gap on weekly, so it's like 1K 800 and 2K 300. We didn't drop inside again. But it's possible to see. Monthly time frame, I guess, looks a little bit better, but still risky, because you remember the buy line on the monthly, it's 1K. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the 1K, right? Definitely not. But it's possible. It's possible. Maybe this cycle Ethereum will not hit the new all-time high. Who knows? Who knows? That's why just be careful. Weekly time frame, I wish to see the continuation higher to the test of the yearly open, 3K 334, this one. Take profit, exit line, test this block like fixation, some swings, and go into the new all-time high. Daily time frame, guys. What I don't like now, of course, the BTC pump it and kind of same story, but here we reject several times at a take profit line. And buy line at this chronometer on a daily, it's 1K 300 again. So all lines are dynamic. I don't see any reason why we have to dump that low now, but it's possible. It's possible, but I don't think so. We will. It's of course it's okay because it's a summer. Yes, we can drop like test 1K 700 and go in higher. But of course, I wish to see some continuation of the trend, and continuation of the trend possible because here, like you can see, we test the buy line, drop it again, bounce, and now we trade almost at the middle. So of course, the easiest way to put the price now higher, we hold the line at 23 elbow fib, global one since 2021. We track this fib, and the reward can be to the yearly open, even the 61 level fib, and the last wave higher before the sweep of new all-time high. So that's the case. After, when we sweep the new all-time high, it can be the correction and continuation of the trend when the BTC dominance will be under 50%. So like main targets, guys, you remember 1K 300 capitulation, the most conservative drop, it's 1K 700. But I don't think so. We will drop again under 2K. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. Take a look now, guys, with my customer cassette, other one, ADZ direction. This is not a distribution. Now it's not a distribution. So 1, 2, and 3. So no divergence, nothing. So it's healthy move on Ethereum. and I wish to see we will see the continuation, so it's okay. Time to buy, let's take a look. The last time to buy Ethereum was here, based on direction indicator on the weekly. January, it's only 3. Time to buy confirmation was here and this week. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row accumulation, continuation pump. Good one. Good one, good call. No signal to sell to out of Ethereum. Time to out was the last time here in April 24, so you can add alerts and track it. I'm more bullish for Ethereum than bearish. Markets more, guys. Money power. Here, capitulation. Capitulation. Last capitulation was in the middle of April. Now it's just a hope, nothing more. Just a hope that this is not a free, nothing. Imagine now we're in a level of Ethereum like it was, I don't know, February 22 or April 21. This one. So nothing special. Time to out will be when we will touch the Ethereum. Money power, money inflow was in March. So the price was like 1K754. This one, now nothing. We at the top, almost at the top, but without any signal to out or sell. And the last one is trade on, guys. Sell, buy back. No new signal to sell on the weekly. Buy, last one was here. Take profit, sell, buy back. So guys, like conclusion, the worst case, of course, we can close the 50% of the gap, like test 2K. Capitulation, it's 1K700 or 1K300. And the bullish case, it's a yearly open 3K300 and this block, like fixation of the swing trades. So guys, all eyes now on BTC dominance and track the Ethereum. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.